Main unit, welding or cleaning gun head, cabling, grounding cable, power cord. Connect the power cable but do not switch on the power yet. After connecting the grounding cable, lift the front door upwards to open it. Open the lid and fill with water. Distilled or purified water. Deionized water is best. Change the water monthly. Take precautions against freezing in cold weather. Fill the water to the indicated standard level. Close the lid and the cabinet door. Turn on the switch at the rear of the machine first, then connect the main power supply. Rotate the emergency stop button to activate the system, then turn on the laser. Select the cleaning function using the option in the top right corner. To restart, turn off the laser source first, then the system. Then restart, turn on the system first, then the laser source. Adjust the cleaning parameters. For cleaning, the scan width should be less than 30 millimeters. Select the peak power based on usage requirements and the machine's rated power. When handling the fiber optic cable, allow for sufficient slack during use. Check the gun head to ensure a red beam is emitted. Press the handle button twice. The first press readies the system, the second starts the process. The closer the cleaning head is to the material, the better the result. To shut down, turn off the laser, then the system. Press the emergency stop. Turn off the rear switch and disconnect the power. Subscribe us for more options.